Are you ready for the beast? Turn around so I can see you. Joseph, are you ready for the beast?
Why did I agree to this?
Oh, yeah.
What did I sign up to this? Test.
Birthday boy and his brother takes on the beast.
Not know what he was going to. Ha.
Come on, go that way. Better read them rules. This guy had on the way, child. Okay, let me zoom in. Can I zoom in on them rules? The beast.
No food or beverages. 40 or taller.
You're tall enough, honey. You are tall enough.
At least I got seatbelts.
Aiden, what a way to kick off your nice birthday! Are you ready, Joseph?
No, I'm not.
Are you ready for the takeoff, Aiden? All right. We are on our way. Hey, the birthday boy. We are really on the water, honey.
That you need them, they're just for emergencies only.
Yes.
Small children. Their life jackets are located in the 2 white lockers underneath the pod with donning instructions. Watch your hats, watch your glasses. If you feel something fluttering about to blow off, hold on to it or just take it off. We don't go back for anything that ends up in the water.
Oh my God.
Now it's bumpier in the front. The further back you sit, the smoother it tends to get. So with that being said, if you've had any previous neck injury, back injury, heart condition, or you're pregnant, we ask you not to take this ride. Now as it gets smoother in the back, there's more chance of water coming over the sides. So if you have your cell phone or camera out ready to take a picture, and you see a wall of water coming over, try and cover it up as best you can.
Okay.
We're not responsible for anything that gets damaged.
We on the beach. The birthday boy is here. Joseph is feeling. Say how you feel, Joe. I feel seasick. On the side of me. Got A right here. Now we just waiting to go off. I get out wings. Let me show y'all. Turn around. Hold on. It is hot out here, I will say. That's Aiden.
He's not Yusuf.
I'm cracking up. We will rock you. Oh my God.
up front. He'll help you guys take some photographs.
Oh my goodness.
What we'll do is the right side of the boat first.
Happy birthday! Oh snap, we going
To get up.
I'm soaking wet.
Most importantly,
Great.
have a great day.
After the boat ride.
I'm soaking wet.
It was fun though.
So,
Don't turn up. Joseph.